to the world of Jones Knows. This is Keeping Up with the Joneses, Volume 2. We're out on a job where I just recently installed some Brazilian CUMARU. This is a solid wood floor. As we walk through this job, tell me if you can find what's wrong.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
No, I know. I mean, the only one that really bugged the hell out of me was this. And then there was another. Oh, actually, if this goes, maybe. Where the hell is the? Right here, right there.
You gotta put tape on them sometimes to,
right here.
or you lose it. Yeah.
So if this one goes, we can probably replace this board, right?
I think it is part of this. It is this board.
Yeah, it's this one and this one. So we can replace this.
Yeah.
We have to. I mean, I just want to make sure the impact is not going to be worse.
You see the problem? This board is slightly raised. I need to cut into this brand new floor, remove that board, fix the subfloor under it, and make it look like it didn't happen. It means I have to put the boards in just like I took them out, with the full tongue and groove still in place. And how am I going to do that? With the butterfly technique. When you're doing a repair like this, the one thing you don't want to do is create more problems by scratching the floor or damaging the boards around the one that you're going to take out. So it's really important to cover and go overboard with covering and protecting the floor around the repair. Then you want to tape off the area that you're going to cut out. Once you get that done, you can then cut out the centers of the boards that you want to remove, leaving basically a picture frame around the edge, which we will then take out later. The first thing we want to do though is get the main part, the centers of the boards in the area that we want to repair, taken out. But we're going to leave that outer border edge in place so that when we do our repair, it'll protect the edges of the boards around where we're working. We couldn't believe that once we got it out, what the problem was. It was the corner where two pieces of subfloor, which was plywood in this case, came together. One of the corners was raised so slightly it couldn't have been more than an eighth of an inch, maybe less, and it just happened to land on the joint where two boards came together and caused that joint just to look a little bit higher and raised. We used our oscillating saw to cut that raised edge off, and then we're able to take out the rest of the boards that we were using to protect the edges, and now all the old boards are taken out and the subfloor is fixed. It'll be time to put the boards back into place. Alright, sit back and prepare to be amazed. We're about to do some board replacements without taking the locking system or tongue and groove off in any way. Select two boards and put them side by side. Line them up with the tongue and groove on the outside edge where the regular floor is, and then drop them down using a mallet. Here we go again. We line them up on the outer tongue and groove and use a mallet to drop them into place in the center. Then with our Lexi mallet, we'll then hit them down and engage the end tongue and groove. See it one more time. Once we put our glue down, we then select two boards, line them up with the tongue and groove on the outside, and then drop them into place. I can't tell you how many times I've used this technique over the years. One of my guys used to say, let's butterfly the boards, and that's how we got the name, the butterfly repair, the butterfly technique, whatever you want to call it. But it works, and we've used it for years, and it's another one of my tightly guarded secrets that I'm now sharing with my YouTube audience. So I hope it helps. And as you can see, the repair came out perfect.
So if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content besides Keeping Up with the Joneses. We do how-to videos on how to install wood, laminate, vinyl, plus we do product reviews. I review wood, laminate, vinyl. I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content.